hey, let's finish out my Hearts on Fire advent box. Kind of got slacking on it, which is kind of funny considering how excited I am to get the thing open. But I got to remember which boxes I'd open. So we have a few to open. So we're on to number 9. And I'm getting it open. So number 9 is a pink row counter. That's cool. I love the color. So that's a pink row counter. And now on to number 10. So number 10, don't worry, I have the other colors over here so we can show them all together. Oh, that's a beautiful color. Look at number 10. I love that. So that's 10. And let's go on to 11. Oh, I'm excited. Oh, I love this. This is one of my favorite colors. Look at that green. I would put these two together. That's very preppy. Okay, let's go on to 12. I'm so excited. Oh, what is this? It's all folded up. So 12. Oh, it's one of those yarn socks. Trying to get the insides out. I love the color. It is a Cozy Cakes yarn cozy. It's for your center pull ball. There it is. There it is. I love the color. So that's awesome. Now we're on 13. And it's another beautiful color, and it's tonal. It's very pretty. What is at the bottom of the box? Oh, the tag for 19 had popped off. There it is. It's very pretty. Look at that. That's very pretty. Now we're on to number 14. And this is another beautiful colorway. Very light pink. Loving that colorway. And next we have number 15. Right here. And every day that we look in here is exciting. Oh, we have some stickers. And we have this one. It says, I'm sorry for what I said when you called my crochet knitting. And we have a big sticker. And this is who the box was curated by. And it is Hearts on Fiber. Love the stickers. Always do love stickers. And now we are on to number 16. We are winding down toward the end. Oh, this is another beautiful one. I know quite a few of you out there love this color. And it's in purples. Very pretty. Now we are on number 17. Oh, another beautiful one. This is, oh, looks like candy to me. Isn't that pretty? And that's pretty. We have 2 more to open. Here's number 18. And it's something it's not yarn. We'll have to see what that is. I'm excited. It says famous, infamous cuts. I don't know what that is. Oh, okay. It is stitch markers for knitting. So we have a bat. We have, hang on, I'm trying to get it up. Here we have a skull. And the last one, I can't even see it until I hold it up to you. And we have a ghost. Oh, how cute. And we have a ghost. I like those. Those are cute. And then last is 19. And it comes in a pouch. So, let's see. It is adorbs. Let's see. And, oh, black glitter. Look at the glitter on that. That is to tie in all of our minis. So I'm going to get my box out of the way real quick. And then I'm going to hold up all of the minis. So I have my tub of minis. Okay, first, this didn't come with it. That didn't come with it, so we have all the minis right here, and I'm holding them up for you. Let me get the rest of the minis. Ouch. Okay, these are all the minis from the beginning, and then all the minis I just opened up. Alright, we're getting them up here. So here's all the minis. Look at the bright, beautiful colors. And we have a black little stubby to put them all together with. So that is perfect. Love that. Love all the colors with the black stubby, which is glittery, which is perfect. Absolutely love this. This is awesome. So thank you so much, Hearts on Fiber. I really enjoyed this Halloween Advent. And I hope you enjoyed watching me open it. In the meantime, please stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.